Hello everyone, today I will see offers for my neon parrot and this is how I got that neon parrot. They also added the turtle, so I think they were over and so I accepted this trade, and now let's see offers for my neon parrot. Do you remember this trade where that girl was giving me a shadow dragon and all these things? I actually did this trade because I think they were over and shadow dragons are worth more. So here I have my shadow dragon, and I think this was a pretty nice trade because I traded just my shadow dragon for a neon owl and they even added. So this was a successful trading day. Okay, see you in the next video. Till then, bye!